Hey guys, it's AwesomeKid73 here, and you may be able to notice I'm on a different computer because this tutorial is going to be on how to make a Bukkit server, a multiplayer server using Bukkit software. Now, first thing you need to do is get Bukkit, basically. Oh, and the reason I'm on a different computer is because generally my tutorials I record them on my MacBook Pro laptop, and I don't think that's going to handle a server, so I'm using my mom's iMac here. Now, I already had a server, so I just deleted it, but I saved my plugins and my world folder because I had a lot of plugins installed, like permissions, and I didn't want to lose them, so I'll just replace those when we get to that part. So first, you want to go up to your search bar, your address bar, and whatever your web browser of choice, and just go to bukkit.org. And now go to Get CraftBukkit. And then this is for Windows, which I guess I'll pause here for a second so you can see this. This is the URL, by the way. Here's Linux, I'll pause for a second. And this is the only one. This is for Mac. So we'll want to copy this code. Command C. We'll want to go into our Spotlight and type in terminal. Hit enter. This is your command terminal. You want to paste that code in, and it should start downloading something. Now, Bukkit is a server software designed to replace Heyo's mod. So instead of showing you a vanilla server tutorial, I'm showing you a Bukkit server tutorial because Bukkit's better. And now it's done. So now it should have created a new folder called Bukkit server. Let's just move that here. And there's three things in here: CraftBukkit.jar, that's basically the Bukkit software, so instead of MinecraftServer.jar, it's CraftBukkit.jar, README.txt, and LaunchServer.command. We want to open this with TextEdit. And now here where it says RAM, you want to choose how much RAM you want your server to have. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose 2560, which is 2.5 gigabytes, because this computer can handle it, I'm pretty sure. Because on my computer I do some gaming and stuff. This computer, nothing's really done on this computer, so, besides this server. So save it, quit this, you can quit this too. And now open launchserver.command with terminal, just double click, and it should do this, and, oh, there's something wrong. Oh. Let me just... So, see all these, wait a minute, something's wrong here. Oh wait, no, it's fine. See these warnings? They don't mean anything. Because, these are, it's just because this is the first time you started the server. So, click stop. And now, there's all these things, so let me just open it again, show you. Oh wait, there's something wrong here. Let me pause the video real quick here. Okay, hi guys, there was just a little problem. It failed to generate the world nether thing. I just had to do it again. So now it's preparing the spawn area. And just wait for it here. It'll take a second. There are no warnings, as you can see, and it generated all these new files. These are like the files, the config files, you could say, for your server. This takes a little while, as you can see. It has to get to 100% here. Although it's going, it goes pretty fast. This is more RAM than I usually give my server. I usually only give it 1 gigabyte, but it's gonna be faster now. So it says done. Now I want to click stop. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna reload the server. Now I'm gonna stop it. It's gonna saving chunks, and then wait for it. Process complete. Now you can quit terminal. Now this thing right here, server.property. Oh my god, hang on a minute. Server.properties is the properties for your server. Basically, it's the config file for whether you want monsters to spawn, whether you want like other stuff to do. So here, level name world, allow nether true. That means whether people can go through portals, spawn monsters. I'm gonna put this as false. Online mode you should leave as true. Spawn animals true. Max players 20. Sure, whatever. Server IP you want to leave blank. PvP. That is. Whoops, I spelled that wrong. Level seed, that's just to change the seed. If you want to have like a 404 map or something, you can change the seed. Server port, don't mess with that. Allow flight, I'm going to say yes. This is if people can fly with the fly mod. Whitelist, true. It means there'll be a whitelist. Save it. Now the first time you open this server.properties, your computer may not recognize a .properties file, so you'll have to click choose application and choose text edit. Now I had downloaded something from the App Store called readme 4, which it didn't really work. It wouldn't save my changes that I put in here, which is stupid, so that's bad. Now we're gonna just go ahead, we're gonna launch the server here. I turned monsters off so there'll be no monsters. Now we're going to see if we can connect to the server. So just open up Minecraft, log in, and now to connect to a server on the computer like that is running the server, you just want to type in, that doesn't matter because that IP address wore out already and stuff, local host. See if it works. So logging in. Oh, I didn't whitelist myself. Hang on a minute. Ha ha ha. It's kind of funny that I didn't whitelist myself, and I should probably make myself an op too. Yeah, whitelist is if you want to limit who can, like, even if the person knows the IP address, they cannot connect because they have to have their name on the whitelist. So, okay, now it should work. What? Oh, I didn't open this. You know, I'm so stupid. Oh, wait a minute. I need to open the server. It says connection refused. That means the server is just not open. Okay, let's try it now. Here we go. And it's loading the world. I spawned in water. Oh wow, looks very interesting. This is one of the more boring maps I've encountered. You can see I can use some commands here. Set time to 0 or, yeah. So, let me make sure. Yep, I can break blocks. Now, I have a bunch of plugins installed on my other world, so I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect here. Let me see what time I'm at. Okay, I have plenty of time. I'm gonna do another video on port forwarding your server. Stop the server. You can actually just do /stop from within the game. So now we're gonna take this plugins folder. As you can see, nothing's in it. Goodbye. And this is my plugins folder. As you can see, I've got Epic Zones, Essentials, Hero Chat, Locket, Permissions, World Edit, all that good stuff. I'm gonna add Flying Carpet and World Guard pretty soon. I want to take this world folder. Goodbye. Hello, my world folder, which I haven't done very much on my world folder, so there's not that much there. Now we're going to launch the server. Now since I have all these plugins, it's going to tell you all this stuff about plugins and stuff. And I have a plugin that switches this to time day instead of time set 0 or time set 1 or time set anything. What am I doing? Okay, so now it should work. Localhost. Man, that rain. Tell ya. I believe monsters are off here. I have world edit, so compass here. A little bit laggy for some reason, even though I gave it a lot more RAM. Wait a minute, do I have... Oh, wait a minute. Oh wait, hang on a minute. Mouse is kind of... One second. I'm gonna set my render distance on tiny. I'm just putting everything on the... Alright, let's see if it's as laggy now. Okay, this is much better. That made a big difference. This mouse isn't very good. Okay, music off. Okay, everything. Okay, good. I'm gonna turn this. Just wait for it. It's okay. Hey, I have my God mode on. See, God mode disabled. That's in Essentials, by the way. God mode enabled. So we have now successfully created a Bukkit server. And my next video will be on how to port forward said server. So for now,